Back. So this is a PayPal stock update. Today stock is up 3.5% and it's trying to get out of this consolidation zone, pretty much this support zone. If you look at this chart, this is a pretty much 30-minute chart. In last 8-9 trading sessions, it has been consolidating and trying to hold this support. So let me switch to a daily chart where you can see better. So on a daily chart, you can see we talked about this. We talked about this stock spending some time at this low and not trying to go right back up because the longer it's spent here, the more people who wanted to get out, they did get out, and people who wanted to get in, they had a chance to get in. So, and now breaking 190, that was the resistance I was watching. So above that level, if we close above 190 to the upside, the next resistance level I'm going to be watching will be this $200 level right here. So another $9 move from here. And PayPal, let's take a look at PayPal's daily average true range. So PayPal today is up 6.2%. I think it has around like that much of a range, $7 range. So, and another resistance for this stock. So we know after earnings report, stock made a huge gap down from 225 all the way till here, 210, 212. So once it gets above 200, that's the next level I would be watching as a resistance and as a gap fill area. And also, if I bring up moving averages, you can see on my screen this yellow line right here represents 50-day simple moving average. At the moment it's 228. So, and it's coming down as well. So 50 days downtrending. Of course, stock is in a downtrend. Stock is year to date in a bear market, but at the moment, short term, we are trying to reverse here. So, and if it comes above 200, that 50-day SMA and that gap down area over 225, that's the resistance I would watch, and I would expect some people pretty much try to take profits over there and maybe even short over there. So until then, it has quite of work to do, and it would be pretty decent fast move if we're gonna have an overall market new highs and a lot of people expecting Christmas rally. But next week we have a Jerome Powell, so maybe after December 15th we might see a Christmas rally, but next week is a quad witching December 17th. So if you're gonna trade those kind of that particular expiration date, be careful. I see a lot of people trading short terms. You might get caught here, both if you are bullish or bearish, because option contracts became very expensive when market was volatile for the past pretty much 7-8 trading sessions. So also, if we take a look at the MACD, we see right here at the bottom, both MACD line and signal line way below zero, but even down there we're seeing this bullish crossover. So that means, well, maybe right here we're gonna have a little bit of a trend change into the upside, a little bit of a upside momentum here. But for that, stock needs to pretty much hold at least half of its gain. So let's say stock is going to gap up 3%. We need to try to close at least 1.5% each day if it goes up. And in that case, uptrend can keep going. And those are the resistance levels. Support, well, that was this gray zone on my screen. That was a solid support. 180, 184. That's the level I was watching for quite some time, and it didn't get out of this range. So right here, when it slipped to 179, I was a bit concerned, but it managed to close the next 3 days above that zone around 184. So, and now we are well, today pretty much many stocks gapped up. So I will not be surprised also to see this stock come back down to test this gap down and then try to go higher, but we'll see. At the moment, MACD bullish crossover down there, and today market is about to close in about an hour. If you look at the option activity, 229,000 calls were traded, 65,000 puts were traded. So more calls being traded. By December 31st, implied volatility for PayPal, $18. So pretty much stock is implying $18 move up or down. So that's the update for PayPal. I hope you guys liked it. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.